So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another stream. In this session, we are going to see gold, BTC, USOL, USTech, US20, and Nifty, Bank Nifty. If you want me to analyze any other stocks, you can write down in the chat box. And as you know, yesterday we did a stock market webinar. That's why I couldn't able to come on live stream. And I hope some of the people have joined the webinar and made good use of it. And in upcoming days also we are going to make some webinars on basics of the stock market. And if you are interested to learn, you can join. Or if you have any friends or any known person who are interested to learn this thing, you can share the link and join and make use of it. Okay, let's start the stream. Hello. Hello. क्या हुआ कि प्रॉब्लम या ओबीज का सेटिंग क्या हुआ समझ में आ रहा। हेलो हेलो।
आई थिंक अभी प्रॉपरली आ रहा होगा शायद नहीं। आई थिंक अभी प्रॉपरली आ रहा होगा। या परफेक्ट ना। Okay, so let us see gold, what the gold is doing. So if you look at the gold in 1 hour chart, gold trading around 3370 and यहाँ से हमें एक सेलिंग को देखने मिल रहा है and this must be our bottom level. And if you look at 15 minutes chart, the gold is in a fall. You would have captured this move, but my mic has made so much what do we say that problem to me, so that I couldn't concentrate on this trade. Otherwise we would have entered here, but now entering into short side is not a right way because already a momentum has been started in gold, we should not FOMO and enter in between. We should wait for a proper entry. Hello. Oh, hi. Hmm. We'll check in 5 minutes. Uh, okay, in 5 minutes, if you see there is a trend line over here and at this level. But now there is no proper entry to trade in gold, which we should wait. There is no entry. Okay, we would have captured this move, but we are a little late. It's better to wait for a proper setup. And yes, in BTC we are getting okay, right? In BTC we can enter here in 15 minutes chart, and this must be our SL, and we can take 1 is to 3. This is a 15 minutes time frame. If you look at 4 hour chart, as you can see, we saw a good buying in BTC. There was a good buying in 4 hour chart, but if you come to 15 minutes, as you can see, the market has taken a retracement. Now we can enter here, and there is double bottom also. So we can expect at least 1 is to 2. Okay, let gold come to the bottom. Let the gold come to the bottom. We will plan if there is any bullish side. if we see any buying confirmation candle, any bullish candle, here we can plan for a call set trade in gold. Okay, if you look at US oil, we can expect a target till 0.5 of this selling, because it has already a broken 0.3 level with high volume, and if you go for some little lower time frame, in 15 minutes it's looking like a double top, but I think that this would be our first target if you go for long side. Okay, we will enter on this trend line bottom. In 1 minute chart, as you can see, this must be our entry point. If we see any bullish candle, we can enter here. Let the market make a bullish candle. I think US30 is in sideways. We don't need to trade on this asset. Here we can plan for selling US tech, because multiple resistance has been taken from this 22,720, and also there is a gap over here, so this might fill at any condition. This gap might fill up at any condition if this breaks, resistance breaks. So what we do is, after the retest, we'll make an entry. Okay, it has to break and take a retest, then only we'll make entry. Okay? Without retest, we'll not enter into this trade. Let this break and we'll next let it come here, then we enter. Okay, then we can take this target. So our ideal position would be after breakout and also retest, then this would be our sell, and this is our target 1:8 almost. One is to 6. We cannot enter directly, we should enter only after the retest. One is to 6. Okay, here we can plan a gold trade. One is to three. Okay, so we should enter here on this trend line, and we'll take 1 is to 3. That is to reward. Okay, so this is our gold trade, and this is our US oil. Okay, I have told that we should enter into this trend line. Okay, long position on this trend line, and our target must be big target is there. Okay, so we can expect at least 1 is to 3. US tech. Okay, yes, we got the entry because this candle was break and the previous candle was retest. Okay, let us wait and see whether this US tech gives us a target RSL. US oil started giving in our direction, and if you take this trend line also, we can expect this big target. Okay, then gold has to move upside from this level, okay? And if it comes to this our SL, we should give our SL, and if it moves at least half of this target, we will trial our SL to bid buying price, okay? Now we'll focus on US oil and US tech. Okay, we have not punched the gold yet, but in gold, when we have not seen any bullish candle here, so we are going to ignore this trade. We would have taken trade only if there is a bullish confirmation. But as you can see here, gold is breaking this below trend line. But there is no selling opportunity here because we can expect reversal from this bottom at anywhere, okay? We can see reversal from this level or this level, okay? From any level we can expect a reversal. From any of these bottom levels we can expect a reversal, okay? So if you wanted to plan on selling side, we should have entered somewhere here, okay? We cannot enter at the bottom. See, these are buying zones, or we can also call as support zones, from where market will reverse, okay? In BTC, the market is at our buying price only. Let the market move some little upside. If it moves at least half of our target, we can trail our SL to cost. Okay, let this comes to this 122,459. So we will trail our SL from 121,324 to 121,818. Whenever half of the target achieves, you have to trail your SL to cost. The reason we are taking this trade is, if you look at 1 hour chart, there is a continuously buying, and this was not selling, this was retracement, okay? I have explained many times, whenever market makes a good up move or down move, it will always take some minor retracements, okay? Then it moves the same trend, okay? But most of the people think that okay, there is a M pattern, there is a reversal candle, okay, we will see some big selling. Okay, no, this look at the volume of this buying. Okay, this volume gives you a confidence or confirmation that there are domination of buyers. But let us think that the market is at here now, okay, on this green candle. Will you now just imagine that now market is at this level? Now will you enter on buying side or not? Okay, but most of the people enter on buying side here, because by looking at this green candle, so what they think that okay, market will going upside, we should plan on long side. But you should never plan buying after this kind of momentum, because what our theory says, buy at the dip and sell at the dip, means you should buy at the dip. Is it a dip? No, it is a top. So you should not buy here, you should buy at the dips. But then what do we need to do? You know that there is a big buying, there is a big momentum has been coming in the market, but what you should do, you should wait for a dip. Then what is the dip? Let the market comes down. Okay, let the market comes down. This is the dip. Here you can start to buy. So if you want more clarification, you can just take this fib tool and draw from this level. Okay, if you look at this, you can mark 0.3 level. Okay, this is our important level when the market is in very bullish mode. Okay, market will reverse from the 0.3 itself. Okay, now I will remove this web tool and you can check here, from this level only our buying already started. Okay, on that confirmation I had entered a trade here, and at least it has to move till the previous high. Okay, it might cross the previous high and breaks and makes a new high, but this is our 1:3 RR. According to our risk management, our SL and target is near to our previous high. Okay, and if there is a big momentum or if the market moves with flow, we can definitely hold this trade until a good target. Okay, and if there is a reversal candles, or if there is a pause somewhere here, then we can book our profits, because if there is a pause which might indicate that this resistance, it respecting this resistance level, so from this level we can see a fall. Oh, I'll show you in lower time frame. Okay, so if you look at this top level, okay, and now market is at this level, and this is our 0.3 level from where the market has multiple time tested this level and moving upside. Okay, this is our most confirmation buying setup in any chart. Okay, if you look at this W pattern at the bottom, this is confirmation that even though the sellers are dominating, but the buyers are not letting the market down. So this is the best confirmation in buying side. Similarly, M pattern or double top is the best confirmation for selling side. Now if you see this, what it indicating? There is a major buying trend, and this is our retracement. Okay, I will write it, you will get an idea. Okay, this is called as impulsive. What is impulsive? This continuous uptrend. Okay, and this small selling is called as retracement. Okay, this is our impulsive, this is our retracement, and the same impulsive must come here. Okay, this must be our impulsive, means that the market must move into the continuation of the impulsive. See, the market started moving in our direction, and when it reaches to the half of our target, that is at this level, we will trail our SL to cost to cost. so that we will not going to lose any single rupee. Our SL will be at our buying price. If the market reverse also, we will exit with zero losses. Okay. I will take trade now then. Okay. This is just for educational purpose. I cannot confirm you to buy or sell any stocks or any index because I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Okay, this stream is completely for educational purpose. Even though you can see the disclaimer on the top of the stream. And not necessarily this must be sure whatever I say, okay? Or SL may hit, then it might go upside, okay? But we have to take small risks to get the good rewards. Profit and losses are the part of the trade. In US oil, the market is moving near our buying price only. So let us see whether they sell it or will reach the target. Sir, you not picking call, sir. Please respond. No, you have not called, bro. I have not received any call from you. Okay, in US oil, you can see the market reversed. This is our SL, almost near to our SL. So no problem, we can give this small kind of small SLs. But when we are taking, we should focus on big targets. Why I made the long position here? Because 11:48. Okay. 11:48. Let me check. No, I have not received any call at 11:48. Okay, I will explain you why I have made a buying position here. Because if you look at this big fall, okay, there is an 0.3 level from where multiple times this has been tested, okay, and now this 0.3 level has breakdown happened, and then this after the retest the market started moving upside, and its next target is 0.5 level, which is 70.8 70.58. Okay, this is 0.5 level. So but as you can see, it started reversing, then we should ignore this, okay. But our risk management must be proper, so that if you are giving small SLs and if you are taking a big target, then only your RR must be good. This is BTC 15-minute chart. Strucks or no? Please check your WhatsApp. I have shared my dial details. You have not called me. Cancelled call. You have cancelled. You have cancelled. You have dialed and cancelled. सर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं शेयर करते. आने वाले दिनों में बिग यूट्यूबर होने वाले हो इंशाल्लाह. So basically you are saying me that to remove that details, right? तो जो भी करना अभी कर लेता हूँ, फेमस होने के बाद रिप्लाई नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, gold is continuously falling. It has broken this previous support also. Now, here we can plan in gold. And your SL must be small and your target must be 1:3. Why? Because there is a what do you say, that order block here, okay? And there is a chance that from this order block we can see a little reversal. हाँ सर, हम जैसे लोगों को आप रिप्लाई करेंगे, हेल्प करेंगे तो उनको अच्छा लगेगा. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको सीखना है. भाई सीखने के लिए तो मैं अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ. सब लोग को सीखना है किसी न किसी से. In this market, you should always be student. You should learn every day. There is nothing like you are done with the learning. Every day is a new day. हेलो, मैं स्ट्रीम में था थी क्या तो नीचे कुछ. Look at this selling in gold. This is a huge selling. If we go for higher time frame, you can see from 3372 we are seeing a big selling in these two candles itself. If gold is moving down means the BTC must go upside. Gold and BTC are opposite. If the gold is moving down, then BTC must go upside, but I don't know why the BTC is not moving. BTC is at buying price only. There is no momentum in BTC. The gold must. I think gold is at bottom. It has to take some little retracement. I don't know why it's continuously falling, but BTC is not moving. But I think a big spike will come in BTC. If you keep on watching, we can see a sudden big momentum in BTC in long side. And if you want me to analyze any particular stocks, Indian stocks, you can write down in the chat box. If you want to analyze like any your interested stocks or any chart. And in US oil, this double top. After this double top, you can see even US oil it started falling. In BTC, we should get a good move on upside because if you see this trend line also broken and gold also falling. But I don't know why BTC is not moving. Struck at 1218239. And this is a double confirmation in BTC that after this retracement, it has taken one more reversal from this level. Okay, this is the first time, second time, and whenever market takes reversal for second time, then there is a big chance that the market will move in the same direction. See, as I told you, this is our order block, and from this order block we can see the reversal. In US tech, this resistance was broken, then the retest was below this level. Okay, this retest must be above this resistance level only. Okay, now the BTC started moving upside. We are seeing a momentum in BTC. I hope our half of the target will reach soon. If one spike is enough, it will reach our half of the target. the gold is falling, which means BTC will move upside down. This BTC has to move upside with fast momentum because the gold is falling. Doge is directly proportional to BTC. If the BTC is moving upside, the Doge will move upside. And if the BTC is down, Doge will also be down. And if you can see, Doge started moving upside, and hope this time this Doge make a big move in the market. We are expecting a big move in Doge. Let us see, but it has to break this two resistance level. Yeah, once this level breaks, and we can see the next target would be this. This doesn't matter, it will easy recover and move upside. I think gold will come to retrace at this level. One, two, three. Now this has been broken, but it has to retrace till this trend line again, and from here it will start falling. Okay, I think there is no lot of momentum in any of the assets, and BTC also not moving, staying at the same level. But if you are having the position, you can hold it till this, and once it moves around 122 400, you can trail your sell to cost, and once it breaks this level, and we can expect this second target also. So I hope you enjoyed the stream, and that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and share with your friends who are interested to learn. We will be having my around 65 to 70 videos where you can learn everything I have explained in my videos. And even though I live stream daily. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.